Hey guys, I'm JK Brothers Ryota. Thank you for watching this video. I wanna talk to you seriously today about Katsuobushi. I get so many comments, is it alive or are you eating tree bark? It seems Katsuobushi one of the most misunderstanding food in the world. But actually, it's soul of Japanese cuisine. Today, I'm going to educate you on what Katsuobushi really is by looking back at our videos. First, the truth behind the world's hardest food. 2. How it's become lighter than the feather when shaped. 3. And the secret of umami that magically transforms any dish. At the end of the video, I will share how you can bring this magic into your own kitchen through our project. Let's learn the magic of Katsuobushi together. First, let's start with the video. It shocked everyone. Its unbelievable hardness.
Bro, check this out. This is the hardest food in the world.
Are you kidding me? That's literally a piece of wood, bro. Did you get it from the backyard?
I'm totally serious. It's food.
No way, if that is food. The superhero.
Superhero, so watch this.
What the? Bro, you just used your food as a hammer.
Yeah, it works perfect.
That's the weapon. It's not food.
Believe it or not, it's actually a fish, dried fermented spaghetti tuna.
A fish? A fish that can build a house?
Exactly, we can't bite this, so we shape it this.
Wow, it looks like a pencil shaving now.
Try it just a little piece.
Oh my god.
Yeah, right, bro.
So you eat wood shaving made of rock hard fish, and it's actually delicious.
Welcome to Japan, bro. Did you know this rock was fish? Comment below.
I want to show you the visibly what Katsuobushi is officially recognized by the Guinness World Record as the hardest food in the world. The real block is dried and fermented repeatedly to remove all moisture, making it as hard as a rock of the brick. But the magic happens when you shape it that look like the fish with a special tool. It transforms into the lightest food in the world. Check out the disaster caused by the extreme lightness.
Bro, come here for a second. Smell the Japanese premium ingredients.
Bro, why? Is this one of your weird food prank?
No, I promise. It smells amazing. Just get close.
Alright, fine.
So take a really deep breath to get the full flavor. I told you I smell it, not inherited.
Are you crazy? It's too light. It flew straight into my brain.
Yeah, you look like the fish monster now.
Why is it so light anyway? It's like breathing air.
Because Katsuobushi is shaped to 0.01mm. It's literally lighter than the feather.
Lighter than the feather and than paper. Thanks a lot, bro.
Yeah, anytime. Have you ever sneezed your food all over the place? Comment below.
That sneeze was 100% is real. A Katsuobushi feel everywhere and cleaning up look forever. High-end, professionally shaped Katsuobushi is only 0.01mm thin, are sweeter and lighter than the feather. When you put these feather-like flakes on hot dishes, I trigger that crispy dance that make a foreigner scream. It's alive Hiyayakko.
Bro, quick question. Would you eat moving food?
Moving? Like escaping from my plate? No way.
Take a look at your lunch today.
Wait, hold on. Is it alright? It's wigging.
Not bro, this is the Katsuobushi bonito flakes.
Bonito what? It looks like a bug dancing on my pancake.
It is not bad, it is not alive. It's just moved because of the heat.
Heat? It looks like zombie food? That's still weird.
Just trust me, take a bite. It's a Japanese masterpiece.
If this bite my tongue, I'm gonna be mad. Oh my god!
See.
Bro, what is this magic? Smelled in my mouth.
Yeah, right.
It tastes so smoky and herby. I thought it would be crunchy.
It's actually shaped smoked fish. It gives this crazy umami flavor to any dish.
Smoked fish? So it's thin, it dances. Japanese food is on another level.
Yeah, still think they are creepy bugs?
Nah, I feel bad for calling this bag. I want more bag. No, I mean break.
But just a dancing food. Would you eat this at home?
Shunta seriously thought that they are alive and was poking them with his fork. It's just a scientific reaction where the pepperine cells absorb the hot steam and cool up. Next is blindfold test for Katsuobushi as a big feature. It's smoky aroma. Let's see if Shunta can guess what it is.
Alright bro, keep your eyes closed. We are doing a blind smell test.
I'm ready. If you put something weird near my face, I'm swinging.
Relax, it's something you already love. Guess what it is?
Oh, that smells intense.
What does it smell like?
It smells like campfire.
Alright, take off the mask and open your eyes.
Are you kidding me? Fish flake?
Yeah, it's Katsuobushi. It's heavily smoked with a special wood during the making process.
My brain thought we are about to eat a giant plate of smoked rib. It tricked my mind.
That's the power of the smoke. It adds a barbecue flavor to everything.
I'm gonna put this in a candle. My room needs to smell like this.
Have you ever smelled the Katsuobushi smells?
Comment below.
It seems exactly like wood fire barbecue or the bacon. This is because of a traditional process called Baikan. Smoking the fish with oak and cherry wood daily for a month. But when foreigners smell its intense smoked fish aroma for first time, they often associate it with a certain part diner. Here is that big misunderstanding.
Bro, why do you have a cat food on the table? We don't have our own cat, right?
It's not cat food. It's for me.
For you?
Yeah.
Are you turning into cat?
Yeah. So just smell it.
Okay. Oh, it smells like my friend's cat's dinner. It's a tuna.
You are half right. It's a Katsuobushi premium smoked fish.
Premium cat food. Got it!
Ah, stop joking. Just put a pinch of your tongue. Yeah, trust me.
If I start smelling, it's your fault. Yeah!
How was it?
This is incredible survey.
Yeah, I told you, it's a perfect umami. It is a secret weapon of Japanese cooking.
I can't believe I just judged by a just smell.
See, human love it?
Yeah! Can I have some more?
So, have you ever eaten the human cat food only Katsuobushi? Comment below.
He made fun of its cat food, but Shunta started sneaking into the kitchen to eat Katsuobushi straight from the back after this. It really captivated both cat and human, but when it told him how it's actually made, he completely frozen its shock. Here is a video that makes 100% of foreigner panic.
Bro, you've been eating the Katsuobushi for a while. Do you actually know how they make it?
Oh yeah? They catch a fish, cook it, and shave it with your machine.
Not even close the bro. It's take over half year to make it.
Half year for fish flake?
Listen, first they boil the fish, then they smoke it every day for a wild month.
Okay, a month of smoking. That explains the awesome smell. Sounds normal so far.
Then they put a mold on it and let it dry in the sun for 6 months.
Wait, what? Rewind? Mold?
Yes, mold, but good mold, like a blue cheese. It removes the water and locking all that umami.
You are telling me I'll be addicted to eating moldy fish this whole time.
Yeah, it's a delicious and carefully crafted moldy fish.
Give me a bite.
Yeah. Did you know how this magic food was made?
Comment below.
The look on Shunta's face when I said mold was panickless. But the noble mold is actually a genuine technology that broke bad bacteria and break down the fish fat into the pure umami. Now that we know the science, let's explore how Katsuobushi upgrade our ingredients. First, with a food that is one called Tasteless overseas.
Oh, why are you giving me raw tofu? I hate this stuff. It tastes like white nothingness.
That's because you are eating it wrong. It is naked.
Naked? What does that mean?
It means we need to dress it up. Tofu is a black canvas. Look at it now.
Okay, I admit now. It looks like a real dish. The Flakes are doing the dancing things again.
Just get a good spoon and the tofu, katsuobushi, soy sauce all in one bite.
Alright, here we go. Wait, what just happened?
Good?
It's amazing! The tofu acts like a perfect sponge for the soy sauce and the smoky flavor. It's not nothing anymore.
I told you, the Katsuobushi is a tofu best friend. This dish is called Hiyayakko in Japan.
Hiyayakko, I like that. I have to apologize to Tofu.
Yeah, you better apologize right now.
Sorry Tofu, you are delicious when you are dressed.
How do you like eat tofu?
Comment below!
Katsuobushi inosinic acid and tofu glutamic acid trigger an umami synergy that multiplies the flavor by 7 to 8 times. We saw comments saying, would this pair well with Western fermented food? So we paired katsuobushi with cream cheese. Here is that miracle hack.
Bro, did you know that cheese and katsuobushi are the best friends?
Cheese and fish? Absolutely not. That sounds illegal and wrong.
Trust me on this one, it's a flavor hack. Look, take a block of cream cheese and top it with a mountain of katsuobushi and add a splash to soy sauce.
Bro, you are destroying a perfectly cheese right now. Italian people are crying somewhere.
Just wait, magic is about to happen. Get a good mix of everything.
If this is bad, I'm making you pay for my dinner. Wait a minute.
Told you.
Bro, it tastes like a fancy, expensive cheese dip. How does fish make cheese taste better?
It's science, bro. They are both fermented food. When you combine them, the umami multiple science never lies.
Give me a glass of wine right now. We are finishing this whole block.
What is your favorite real cheese pairing?
Comment below.
Shunta complained about Italian crying, but the second the camera stopped, he poured white wine and finished the whole cheese block by himself. It really is good as that. Now, let's finish with 2 ultimate ways to enjoy katsuobushi as main store. First, a traditionally healthy snack that releases flavor to more you chew.
Hey bro, look what I got. It is a traditional Japanese chewing gum.
Chewing gum? That literally looks like tree bark you found in the forest.
It is not bark, it's a thick-shaped katsuobushi.
So I'm supposed to chew on fish wood.
Yes, put it in your mouth. And just keep chewing, don't swallow right away.
It's a bit hard and dry. I don't get it.
Don't stop, keep chewing. Let the saliva do what is.
Wait, hold on. The flavor is exploding now. It's getting stronger and stronger.
That's the magic of umami.
It's like eating the best beef jerky in the world.
Yeah.
But it's fish. This is dangerous food.
Japanese grandpa love eating this while drinking sake.
Bro, hand me a drink. I feel like a wise Japanese grandpa right now. And I love it.
Grandpa needs more fish gum. Do you like beef jerky?
Comment below.
These are thick cut Atsukezuri usually used for strong broth. If you keep it chew them, they turn into the ultimate high-umami fish jerky. Shunta chewed this way too much and literally had jaw muscle pain till next morning. Alright, it's time for final. Let's completely destroy the healthy Japanese food stereotype with our most guilty recipe, the devil rice. Get ready.
Bro, today I'm introducing you to our most guilty food in Japan.
Guilty food? I thought Japanese food was all healthy and low calories.
Oh, you are wrong. Prepare yourself. Look at this hot steaming rice, a big block of butter, a mountain of katsuobushi and soy sauce.
Bro, the butter is melting into the soy sauce. That looks dangerously unhealthy.
That's why we call this a devil food. Take a bite your soul to the devil.
I'm ready.
Hello, you still there?
Bro, I can see heaven. The rich butter and smoky fish is fighting in my mouth. And they both won.
I warned you, once you start, it's impossible to stop. Leave some for bro.
Don't talk to me. I'm busy now.
Would you try the devil rice? Comment below.
Rich butter, salty soy sauce, and powerfully smoky katsuobushi truly devil's rice. Shunta actually snuck into the kitchen to make it again next morning. As you've seen katsuobushi, first look like tree bark, 2 dance like bug on the hot food, 3 smell like cat food, 4 and use mold to moisture. It sounds crazy when you say it out loud, but one bite delivered the ultimate umami experience. Now Shunta can't cook without it. And finally, we have huge announcement. In response to thousands of comments asking where can I buy this, we paired up with one of Japanese historic brand, Yamaguchi Kunisawa Hyakuma Shoten. We just launched our own Kickstarter project to deliver premium arabushi and honkarubushi taste compare set straight to your kitchen worldwide. And if you are wondering, how do I even use this? Don't worry, we also include excessive access to our online cooking class, where you can learn exactly how to master and cook with Katsuobushi step by step. Check the link in description to secure yours. Early bird discounts are strictly limited, so hurry. Thank you for watching and see you in our next Japanese kitchen adventure. See you!